Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert text above a table in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert text above a table. Firstly, insert a table. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Table option and insert a table. Now we can see we insert a table. Now we want to insert text above this table. Go to the Home menu. Then click Draw Text Box option and draw a text box above the table. Then write anything on this table. Write any text to this table text box, then apply any effect, then click outside, and we can see we insert text above this table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.